Hi, this is Brantley with dSupport Online, and welcome to our dMystify series. Today we'll be going over USB Devices View from Nearsoft. This is another great utility from Nearsoft that's small and powerful, and basically what you'd use it for is to diagnose any USB device issues you may have, either items that have corrupt drivers that are difficult to uninstall, or basically to figure out why it's not recognizing in the system, or find out more information about a device that is attached. You'll find that under the Tools menu under our DMZ profiles, and we'll go ahead and click and run on it here. And you can see that right now it has the tablet interface for the mouse for our virtual machine and a previous device that was attached, but you can see right here without the green light that it's not currently attached. And basically what you can do with those is you can disconnect it or uninstall it, and also disable it, and quite a few options directly from the right click menu here. And of course you can always do reports with Nearsoft applications. We'll go ahead and uninstall this one. So next time we entered that USB device, then it would be able to reinstall the driver freshly. There are quite a few options that you can enable and disable here, and one that you may want is the USB root hub. This will just show you all the USB root hubs that are installed if you need to completely reset the USB functionality on the system. Then you would probably just want to go through and uninstall all those selected devices. I'm not going to do that right now because that would disable our input. There's also some other more advanced options. If you had this running on the system tray, you could have it open when you have a device connected, or autoplay when a device is connected, as well as some more advanced features that you can actually run some commands using variables when a device is inserted or unplugged. So quite a nice little utility there, not many other options for it, but very helpful if you're dealing with a difficult USB device and drivers and issues. If you double click on it, you can find out some more information about that device. Sometimes your vendor ID and product ID will be helpful to track down a device that you need a specific driver for. Otherwise, we'll go ahead over to the config for that. And you can see the page for the device is the same as the download page. We'll go ahead and go there and check it out. Of course, Nearsoft again has great documentation on their app, so if you have any more questions or want to find out a little bit more about it, you can always check out the Nearsoft page for it. And it does, of course, have some command line utility options if you wanted to run it with command line parameters. It does run on all versions of Windows, and it is a manual app. For the download, we do have to spoof the Nearsoft site and then be able to download the zip file. And it does have a configuration that gets saved, so any of those options that you change will get saved before and after you run this app. And basically for the execution, we just run the USB Device View app, and if you had it in auto mode, it would wait for the termination of it. No post-execution options, and we do have it set to download if it's older than 5 days, and then our short description and our work report language. So that is definitely a nice tool if you're having any issues with USB devices getting installed or driver issues with any of them. And hope that has demystified USB Device View for you, and want to thank you for watching.